Lunar eclipse and the truth about eating. Does food really become toxic during a lunar eclipse? Have you heard that eating during an eclipse is harmful? But what does science say? Let's uncover the truth. For generations, we've been told not to eat during a solar or lunar eclipse. Some believe that the eclipse's shadow contaminates food, making it poisonous. But is there any truth to this? Or is it just another superstition? Now let's look at it from a scientific perspective. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon, casting a shadow on the Moon. This event has no direct effect on the food we eat. Ancient beliefs were formed at a time when food preservation techniques were not advanced. People associated celestial events with possible food contamination. But today, with modern science, we know that an eclipse has no impact on food safety. So what's the reality? Food remains completely safe during an eclipse. There is no scientific evidence that eating during an eclipse is harmful. Fasting during an eclipse is a personal or cultural choice, but it is not a scientific necessity. So next time someone tells you not to eat during an eclipse, you can share the scientific truth with them. For more myth-busting facts, subscribe to Science Pulse and watch Myth vs. Reality every Saturday. Got a science myth you want us to investigate? Drop it in the comments. We'll reveal the truth with science.